Women's rights are in the spotlight in Poland ahead of this weekend's national election. The number of undecided female voters is twice as high as men in most age groups. And sociologists say the opposition's success in galvanizing them could tip the scales. It's been 8 years since the Nationalist Law and Justice Party, or PIS, came to power. And during that time, Poland's liberal opposition says women's rights have been eroded.
Prawo i Sprawiedliwość nie szanuje ani kobiet, ani równości.
Law and justice doesn't respect either women or equality, says Magdalena Boyko, attending an opposition rally. PIS says it aims to boost fertility rates and support families, while pushing back against liberal values that clash with Poland's Catholic heritage. It ended state funding for IVF. It enforced a prescription for emergency contraception. It launched a universal child benefit, and women who have at least 4 children are given cash incentives. A constitutional tribunal ruling banned abortions in 2021. And though the PIS says it opposes abortion, it also claims it had no power over the ban. Rivals argue the court is politicized, something PIS denies. There are exceptions in cases involving rape, incest, or a threat to women's health. Fertility rates in Poland fell to the lowest since World War II this year. Activists say that's in part because women fear pregnancy, following a handful of cases where pregnant women died of sepsis in hospitals, as doctors waited for the fetus's heart to stop beating. Massive protests that swept through Poland over the abortion ban may motivate some women to support the opposition, but it may also convince others their voice doesn't count. According to political scientists like Anna Masterka-Sosnowska from Warsaw University.
I think we can see the source of it. For example, in the 2020 protests of women and men on the streets, this young generation in particular has been severely psychologically damaged, absolutely disregarded, ridiculed, and sometimes humiliated. The police were often brought in and used force. Therefore, this agency has become theoretically negligible.
Polls show PIS is likely to win, but its support has waned. Some surveys show the mainstream opposition could form a majority government, even if PIS is in first place.